Alright guys, welcome back to Full Life Answer. So we have a Mazda 3 and we're gonna show you how to do the alternator. We just take off the battery disconnect already, guys, up there. So we'll have one bolt here, and if you have a shield under here, gotta take out your shield, work with that. And then yeah, so I didn't have that, so I don't have much to work with. I got your starter is right above here too. So everything access in the front here. So we take off this bolt right here, number 13, if you're using the 12, or you could disconnect from here too. Alright guys, and then we have 112, and 112 up here. And then we pop the connection out. We just look at this tab, press this tab here, guys, and then you pop it out. So this basically much for under here. And then let me show you on the top. Alright, so on the top you have a bolt down there. I still have it in, guys, because I didn't want alternator to follow me, so we're going to be taking that out too. And they have a number 14 here on the tensioner, 40mm, guys, and then price it back. So I leave the belt here, guys, so I don't have to deal with all the belt coming off. I just pop it out when I'm ready, and I put a bungee cord. Alright guys, this pretty much basically it. And make sure to disconnect your battery terminal, because you need to disconnect that, because you don't want to shorten, and charge the battery if the battery is dead, guys, because if you get alternator new starting with a dead battery, that's not good. It could damage the alternator back again, guys. So guys, if you like this one, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. And guys, if you have any comment, leave in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, if you like this one, please consider subscribing. And guys, this is a 2000 Mazda 6. If you didn't know, now you know. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. And make sure charge your battery before you attempt to start your car with a dead battery with the alternator. It could damage the rectifier and then you'll be back to square one. Alright guys, if you like this one, subscribe. If you don't, subscribe. I'm out.